Welcome back, cosmic creators. I'm so excited you're here for a journey that's truly out of this world. Today, we're not just doing makeup, we're channeling the magic of the universe, letting the stars guide our creativity and imagination. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt that spark of wonder? That endless expanse full of mystery and possibility is our inspiration. We're transforming our faces into galaxies, bold, vibrant, and fantastical, just like the swirling colors and lights above us. Forget natural. Think nebula eyelids and comet cheekbones. We're going for looks that are as limitless as the cosmos itself. This is makeup as storytelling, written in the stars, where every detail tells a piece of your own cosmic story. We'll create nebula eyes and a cosmic glow that's truly out of this world, making your face shine like a constellation. This look is for dreamers, stargazers, and anyone ready to try something new and magical with their makeup. Today, we're artists, and our canvas is our own beautiful face. Let's paint with the colors of the universe. Let's get glowing and show the world the universe within us, letting our inner light shine bright. Every swirl of color, every speck of glitter, is a nod to the incredible cosmos, a celebration of the beauty above and within. Grab your brushes, open your mind, and let's transform together. The universe is waiting for your unique touch. With a little makeup and a lot of imagination, you can hold the cosmos on your cheekbones. Let's do this and make some magic. Where does this cosmic obsession start? For many of us, it begins with a single moment of wonder, staring up at the night sky, feeling impossibly small and infinitely curious. The universe above is vast, mysterious, and full of color, and it calls to something deep inside us. For me, it's a single image, a nebula swirling with pinks, purples, and electric blues. It's like a cosmic painting, alive with energy and possibility, reminding us that beauty can be found in the most unexpected places. That's our inspiration, a dreamy, powerful wash of galactic color that feels both otherworldly and familiar. It's the kind of color that makes you want to reach out and touch the stars. We want a highlight that looks like you were kissed by a comet, a glow so intense it's from another galaxy. Imagine a shimmer that catches the light just right, making you feel like you're carrying a piece of the cosmos on your skin. The beauty of galaxy makeup? There's no right way. It's about freedom, creativity, and letting your imagination run wild. Your galaxy can be fiery reds or cool teals, whatever speaks to you. Maybe you're drawn to deep violets, or maybe you want to mix in a flash of gold or silver stardust. Look at photos of the Andromeda Galaxy, or the pillars of creation for ideas. Let the swirling clouds and sparkling stars guide your brush. This is your chance to wear your favorite piece of the cosmos. Let your look be as bold or as subtle as you want. There are no limits here. Before we start, close your eyes and picture your own galaxy. What colors do you see? What shapes and patterns swirl in your mind's eye? That's our roadmap. Not just copying a look, but creating a feeling. Your makeup becomes a portal to another world, a reflection of your own cosmic vision. We're channeling the awe and wonder of space, making the epic universe personal and wearable. Every brushstroke is a tribute to the stars. Soak in that stardust and get ready to make your dreams a reality. Let your imagination take flight as you create your own galaxy. Let's take that inspiration and turn it into art. Every color, every shimmer, every line is a celebration of the universe within you. Ready to create your own universe? Let's go. The stars are waiting, and your journey is just beginning. Time for supplies. Before we dive into the cosmic magic, let's make sure we have everything we need within reach. You don't need a spaceship, just the right tools and a little imagination. For nebula eyes, start with a good eyeshadow primer to make colors pop and last all night, no matter where your adventure takes you. Grab deep blues, purples, hot pinks, shades that remind you of swirling galaxies and distant stars. And don't forget a black shadow for depth, to add that mysterious cosmic dimension. A white liquid liner is perfect for drawing tiny stars, constellations, or even a shooting comet. For the cosmic glow, use your favorite foundation and concealer, blending until your skin looks flawless and radiant. Then layer liquid and powder highlighters. Think iridescent purples, blues, or pinks for a multidimensional shimmer. A few fluffy blending brushes, a precise detail brush for those tiny details, and a damp beauty sponge are all you need to blend everything seamlessly. Add cosmetic glitter or shimmery liquid shadow for extra sparkle. Let your eyes twinkle like the night sky. Dramatic false lashes complete the look, like adding rings to Saturn. Go bold and let your lashes orbit. Lay out your cosmic toolkit and get ready for magic. Every product is a star in your own galaxy. The right tools help bring your vision to life. Gather your starlight. Let's create something out of this world. The universe is at your fingertips. Let's get started and make some magic together. Faces prepped? Let's blast off. Start with foundation and concealer for a flawless base. Prime your lids, then sweep pink or magenta through the crease and blend upward. Add purple to the outer corner, blending into the pink for a seamless transition. Pat deep blue on the lid, then use black in the outer corner for infinite depth. Layer and blend for that galactic gradient. Now, add stars. Dot white liquid liner across the colors, varying sizes for realism. Sprinkle on glitter for a star cluster effect. Apply dramatic lashes and mascara. For the face, layer liquid and iridescent powder highlighters on cheekbones, nose, and Cupid's bow. Smudge pink and purple along the lower lash line to complete the Nebula effect. Finish with setting spray. You're a walking galaxy. Shine bright. Cosmic transformation complete. Isn't it wild how we can recreate the universe on our faces? The colors we use are inspired by real nebulae, giant clouds of dust and gas. Reds and pinks come from glowing hydrogen, blues from energized oxygen. Some nebulae reflect starlight, scattering blue just like our sky. Their swirling shapes? That's cosmic turbulence, gas and dust in constant motion, shaped by gravity and stellar winds. Our blending mimics that chaos. Glitter and shimmer are our tribute to newborn stars. Nebulae are star nurseries. Your makeup isn't just color, it's a snapshot of creation, a cosmic nursery sparkling on your skin. How cool is that? Let's be real. Galaxy makeup is bold, bright, and a total statement. Creating something so unique on your face is empowering. It's like wearing stardust armor. You're telling the world, this is me, I'm not afraid to shine. Makeup is more than covering up. It's self-discovery and play. There are no rules. Today you're a galaxy, tomorrow, who knows? Experimenting builds confidence, not just in makeup, but in yourself. This look is a conversation starter, a celebration of your artistic side. When you feel good about your look, you walk taller and speak louder. Embrace your inner supernova. Let your unique energy shine. Next time you feel small, grab some color and glitter. Paint a galaxy on your face. It's hard to feel invisible when you're shining like a constellation. You are a work of art. Own it. And there you have it, a look that's truly out of this world. You've painted with the light of stars and emerged with a cosmic glow. This face tells a story of creativity and wonder. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about expression and joy. Your universe, your rules. Add more glitter, change the colors, make it yours. Let this inspire your next adventure in makeup. Makeup washes off, but the confidence and creativity last. Whether you wear this look out or just for yourself, celebrate you. You are a supernova. Never let anyone dim your shine. Until next time, keep glowing and reach for the stars. Bye, guys.